nobody gonna know that I told him?
You're safe now. Just tell us what you know.
All right, look. It was Woody, man. He wasn't always this way. He was cool, man, until one of those Kickback episodes, something triggered him, man. And ever since then, he gone rogue, man. He's gone rogue. Now all he concerned with is how Mercy 352 keep duplicating himself in his videos. I'm fearing for my life.
So, you got something you want to tell me? Or do you still think it's a damn joke? Answer me when I'm talking to you. I ain't telling you shit, man. I don't know. I don't know what you're asking me, man. Even if I did, I wouldn't tell you. So do what you gotta do.
You will tell me.
You will tell me. Tell me how Mercy 352 duplicated itself in those videos so many damn times. Oh. But by the time the night's over, you will tell me.